Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create and join a neighborhood in Heyday. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Heyday application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you get the Heyday app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. That's dependent on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Heyday and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page, where all you need to do is to follow through with on-screen processes and instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to create and join a neighborhood in Heyday. Now, how do you join a neighborhood in Heyday? From this homepage, I'd like you to locate the neighborhood. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the neighborhood, right? This house that is colored brown, like different shades of brown, and it has a window over here that is of course fenced with this little fence over here. Yeah, so this is the neighborhood. All right, so if you want to create or join a neighborhood, let's start with creating a neighborhood. Just go ahead and click on the neighborhood house. So once you click on neighborhood house, this is what shows. Now it says neighborhoods and chat unlock at level 10. So it means you need to get to level 10 before you can unlock neighborhood. All right, but then so let's say you've gotten to level 10, click on the neighborhood house, and this is not what it's going to show. It's going to take you to a window where you're going to see a couple of options, and the first tab in that window you're going to see is the tab for creating. That's the create. I'm going to see the create tab as the first tab, and the second tab is the tab that allows you to join a neighborhood. All right, so go ahead and click on the create tab, which is the first tab, and just follow through with the step-by-step processes. Name your neighborhood and just follow through the steps to just create your neighborhood. But if you want to join, just click on the second tab and just go ahead and use the search window to search any neighborhood that you want to join. And after doing that, just follow through with the steps to join the neighborhood. So at level 10, click on the neighborhood house. You're going to see the first tab, you're going to see the second tab. The first tab is to create, and the second tab is to join. So you can use the search bar when you click on the second tab to search any neighborhood that you want to join. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.